Do you guys like pizza? How about free pizza? I have a way for everyone to get delicious pizza for free. You're probably thinking, what's that all about? Well, it's the Slice the Price card. That's right, the Slice the Price card. With this card, every time you purchase a large pizza at Domino's, you're going to get another large pizza for free. If you use it just once, it more than pays for itself. However, you can use it over and over and over again until it expires. And it even works for parties. Say you have your friends over and you buy 10 large pizzas. You'll get 10 more large pizzas for free.
Thanks for getting involved Domino style. Check out our website to find out if your local Domino's accepts our card. This has been a production of WPZA, your Pizza Party Network. Pizza out.